Fixed deposits, the investment plan your dad trusts more than you. It's safe, predictable, and earns just enough to not feel broke, but not enough to make you rich. A fixed deposit or FD is where you give your money to the bank and say, hey, hold this, and grow it slowly while I do nothing. You invest a lump sum, say 50,000 for a fixed time like 1 year. The bank pays you interest, and after the term, you get your money back, plus a little extra. How does it work? Step 1. You choose the amount and tenure from 7 days to 10 years. Step 2. The bank tells you an interest rate, usually between 6% to 8%. Step 3. You pick payout style. Cumulative, interest is added till maturity. Non-cumulative, you get interest monthly or quarterly. The longer you stay, the better the rate. But if you break up early, like in most toxic relationships, there's a penalty. Here's why your dad swears by FDs more than he trusts online shopping. Safe. Your principal is almost always safe, unless the bank dies. But even then, 5 lakh is insured. Predictable. You know exactly how much you'll get, unlike crypto or your startup job. No brain required. Set it, forget it, sleep. Decent returns. Better than savings account which gives 2.7% as a joke. Stress-free. No charts, no app crashes. But wait, FDs aren't flawless angels. There's some fine print too. Taxable interest. You thought it was free money? Government wants its share. TDS. If interest is more than 40,000 per year or 50,000 for senior citizens, banks deduct tax. Low liquidity. Need cash early? Get ready to earn less interest and face premature penalty. Inflation killer. FD earns 7%. Inflation is 6.5%. Congrats, you just barely broke even. So, should you even use an FD? Well, yes. If you want safety, you have a short-term goal, you're saving for emergency fund, you're done with the crypto drama. No, if you want high returns, you're investing for more than 10 years. You know what SIPs and index funds are. FD is great if you want peace, not profits. It's the Maruti 800 of investments. It won't win races, but it gets the job done without exploding. Fixed deposits are not sexy, but they are stable, safe, and they don't ghost you in the bear market. If you're starting your investment journey or just parking your Diwali bonus, FD is still valid.